Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the cutest place where luxury homes turn into real-life dreams. Today, we are exploring a truly beautiful luxury house that perfectly blends comfort, elegance, and modern style. From a stunning drone day view to warm interiors designed in brown and yellow tones, this home feels welcoming, stylish, and full of positive energy. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this exclusive tour with American Dream Mansions. As the drone rises in the bright daylight, the full beauty of this home comes into view. The architecture is modern yet timeless, finished in rich brown shades with soft yellow highlights that shine naturally under the sun. Large glass windows, clean lines, and elegant landscaping give this property a premium and eye-catching presence. This is the kind of home that instantly makes you stop and stare. Moving closer, the entrance welcomes you with a grand wooden door that feels solid and luxurious. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a sense of openness and warmth. Natural light flows beautifully through the space, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere that makes you feel at home instantly. As we walk further in, the living space opens up into a cozy yet elegant TV lounge. Brown sofas paired with yellow accent cushions create a perfect balance between luxury and comfort. The TV wall is modern and stylish, making this space ideal for movie nights, family gatherings, or simply relaxing after a long day. Everything here feels thoughtfully designed and effortlessly beautiful. The home continues to flow smoothly into a formal lounge area, designed for entertaining guests and enjoying special moments. The seating arrangement, warm lighting, and tasteful decor give this space a refined and peaceful vibe. The brown and yellow color theme continues here, adding richness without overwhelming the room. From here, we step into the kitchen, a space that perfectly combines style and practicality. The kitchen features elegant brown wooden cabinetry, modern built-in appliances, and soft yellow lighting that adds warmth and charm. The island counter not only looks stunning but also creates a social space where cooking, talking, and sharing moments become effortless. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area, designed for memorable meals and celebrations. A large dining table sits under warm lighting, creating a cozy and welcoming environment. Whether it's a quiet family dinner or a gathering with friends, this space makes every moment feel special. As we move through the home, we also find a spacious and well-designed garage that blends seamlessly with the rest of the property. It offers both functionality and style, providing a secure and clean space for luxury vehicles. Heading upstairs, the private areas of the home continue the same elegant design language. The master bedroom feels calm, spacious, and luxurious. A comfortable king-size bed, brown-toned furniture, and soft yellow highlights create a peaceful retreat. Large windows allow natural daylight to fill the room, making it feel fresh and relaxing throughout the day. The bathroom connected to the bedroom feels like a personal spa. Brown marble textures, warm lighting, and modern fittings create a soothing and premium experience. It's the perfect place to unwind and recharge. This home also offers additional bedrooms that are beautifully designed for guests or family members. Each room maintains the same warm color palette and thoughtful layout, ensuring comfort and privacy for everyone. For those who love fitness, the house includes a private gym space. Equipped with modern equipment, mirrors, and clean flooring, it allows you to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving home. Stepping outside, the experience continues with a stunning outdoor area. The swimming pool reflects the daylight beautifully, surrounded by brown deck flooring and soft yellow mood lighting. A stylish swing seating area adds charm and relaxation, making this outdoor space perfect for both quiet evenings and social gatherings. Every corner of this home has been designed with care, creating a perfect balance between luxury, comfort, and warmth. It's not just a house, it's a lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you very soon with another incredible dream home.